So I'm here to talk about that person you always talk to before you talk to everyone else. What if I told you the most powerful voice in your life isn't your boss, aren't your parents or your friends, but the voice inside your head? You know, every day we speak to ourselves more than anyone else does. And unfortunately, that voice is often too harsh, critical, and unforgiving. This is what I call toxic self-talk, and I'll be telling you how to detoxify them. You know, toxic self-talk sounds like I'm not good enough, I always fail, I can't do this. When we repeat this thought long enough, they start sounding like opinions which they are supposed to be and start feeling like facts. Detoxifying self-talk begins with awareness. You need to notice when your inner voice becomes your biggest critic instead of your greatest supporter. The next step is to challenge those thoughts. Learn to challenge those thoughts every time they come. Not every thought you have is true. So instead of saying, I always mess things up, you can try saying, I made a mistake, but I can grow from it. Instead of, I'm not capable, try, I'm still learning. So how does that sound? The goal isn't to ignore reality. It is to treat yourself with the same patient and understanding you give to someone you care about. I know you care about a lot of people. That same patience you give to them, give it to yourself. One thing you should notice is that your mind is like a garden. If you allow negative thoughts to grow freely, they will take over. But when you intentionally plant words of encouragement, patience, and hope, your mindset begins to change. Trust me, it does. Detoxifying self-talk is a daily practice. It is choosing to replace criticism with compassion. Because the truth is simple. The voice you believe the most is your own, that voice in your head. So make sure it is speaking life and not limitations.